For one of my recent projects, I needed to make a cross-slab joint, and I wanted it clean, tight, and actually square. So I did a little experimenting, and I'm going to show you the most accurate way I found to make one. First, let me show you the popular method the internet teaches, and where it actually leads me. I started by measuring the boards, finding the thickness, and marking where the joint should be. Then I marked the depth of the cut on both pieces. After that, I head to the table saw and start removing material, nice and slow. So far, nothing new. This is how most of us are doing it. A little cleanup with a chisel. Okay, this isn't quite right. The joint fits, but the cuts are a bit too deep, which throws everything off and keeps the boards from sitting flush. And if you've ever done this before, you know this pain. So let me show you a better way. I grab another pair of boards and start the same way. Find the thickness and mark the center. But this time, instead of cutting the full width right away, I make a few passes on the edges first. Then I test the fit between the two pieces. From here, I slowly adjust the blade height until the two boards sit perfectly flush. Once I found that sweet spot, then I cut the full lap. A few cleanup passes with a chisel, and that's it. A tight, clean, perfectly aligned cross-slab joint. No guessing, no overcutting. If you have a different method or a trick you swear by, drop it in the comments. And if this helped you, hit like and subscribe. It really helps the channel grow.